Basically, according to the Stripe policy, they are prohibits the changing or editing the base countries on the Stripe account. So what you need to do if you move to a different country, the first way is to close your current Stripe account and creating a new Stripe account with the different currency. Or you can also just leave the current account without closing it. The second option is to keep using your current account, and if you have the problem of having a different bank account or a different currency, you can always change those two without having to change your Stripe country. I will leave the links for my others video that you may need when you move to a different country in the comment sections, like how to change bank account, change currency, add new bank, and so on. If you still have any problem about your Stripe account when moving to another country, let me know in the comments and I will try my best to help you out.